Are you gonna tease your brother with it? Are you following the light? No. You're following Blue. Just avoiding me. Don't avoid me! Kick your butt. I'll kick yours too, Blue. Give me that butt. Ah, no, no. Look how bright the moon is over the city. Oh, there's that bird. Oh, there's Golden Gate Bridge too. Nice reflection on the water. You gonna go poo, Blue? Did you bury your stick? Whoa, that was a nice sweep. What are you burying? Let me see. Are you... Give it back. I don't care about the bird this time. Oh, you took the bird leg. Ew. Where'd you find that one? I'll bury it. I'll bury it. There. Now you can't have it. She didn't bring that with us. You don't like it, Blue? Where'd it go? Close. Need some help? Do you need some help? What is that? That's animal fur. Might have been a dog. Need some help, Roxie? Who did that? Jackass. It's dried out, it's dead. I don't care. It's not the actual bird body. Thank you, Roxie. Come on, let's go this way. How come you didn't get one, Blue? You okay? Blue. What's wrong with your ear? Blue, stop. I got you. Blue. I got you. Let me see. You okay? Hold on. Let me see. All right. Is it better? Are you excited? Do you have to go poo? Hold on, I got your leash. Thank you, Blue. Let me see your ear. Let me see it. Yes, let me see it. Is it okay? Is it okay? Oh, does that feel better? Oh. Does that feel better? Yeah. Thank you, Roxie. Thank you, Blue. Is that better? Who's here? You see how he looks around where he's trying to get comfort? Yeah, we're okay. Roxie will protect us. Wherever she is. 1, 2, there she is. Alright, you ready? You ready? You wanna go find a bone? Do you wanna go find one? Thank you, Rox. Just gonna hold it, not gonna chew it. Do you want to go back? How come she got one you didn't? find it. Where is it? Right there? Is it right there? Here, Blue, what's here? Nobody cares. You need some help, Rox? You're just trying to show off. You got one? You got one? Good job. Did you really get a bone? Let me see. You found a freaking bone. What a... Jeez, you guys. Thank you, Roxie. I don't want that. I want you. I don't want your toy. You knew there was one here, didn't you? You little monster. You're silly. Leave his alone. Roxie, that's Blue's. He found beef. He found human leftovers. Roxie, let's go find your bone. Roxie. Blue, I got you. Roxie, where's yours? Is there another one? Probably. Hold on, Blue. Here, Roxie. You want to help me? Where is it? Is that it? What is it? Is that it? Try and get a little bit with the moon. Enjoy that. I guess we're having a picnic on the beach and nobody told me. All right, Blue. Enjoy. Enjoy. I got you. You got yours? See the running from, and now she... Oh, oh! I touched you! I touched you! I touched you! I touched your butt! I touched your butt! Roxie, leave his alone, please. Thank you. Where's yours? I'm not gonna find it in all this. Did you find it? Right there. There you go. This one almost makes no difference. I turn the flash on or off, which is cool. So now I'm gonna end this video.